Next. Have a seat or you can cuckoo stand up if you want. That one doesn't concern me. So why are you here?
Is this not you people that invited me for interview? Say you are looking for head coach.
So we invited you and you carried yourself and started coming. Is it every invitation that you just pack yourself and be coming?
Madam, I beg, I don't have work. And two, I want to help Una bring back the glory days of Real Madrid.
You brought back the glory days of Chelsea and Man U, abi?
No, ma. Those clubs are very ungrateful. That is why it didn't work.
Okay. Since all the people I have been interviewing are not qualified like you are hired.
Oh, thank you, ma. God will bless you, ma. And two, you smell nice.
What? Who is smelling nice, kwa?
You, ma.
You are very rude and mannerless. Get out of my office.
Madam, now wow.
Get out! Next!
Madam, I just want to tell you I have katao. My nose have blocked finish. I can't smell anything to you alone.
You are hired.